Question number 3. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with center O, where OB and OC is equals to 15 centimeter. OB and OC is 15 centimeter, which is the radius. The size of the angle BOC is 2 pi over 5 radians. Okay, this one is given, which is 2 pi over 5. Point A and D on the line OB and OC respectively are joined by the arc AD of a circle with center O. This is the sector of a small circle with center O. So we can say that BC is a part of the large circle and AD is a part of a small circle. The shaded region is bounded by the arc AD and BC and by the straight line AB and DC. It is given that the shaded region is 209 pi over 5 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Give your answer in terms of pi. To solve this question, we should know two formulas. If I call this one is theta. So to find the arc length, we use the formula r theta. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find the area of the sector, we use the formula 1 over 2 r square theta. These are the two formulas you should remember. Area of the shaded region is given, which is 209 over 5 pi. And this shaded region is the area sector of the large circle minus area of the small circle. From the figure, we can see that OBC is the sector of large circle and OAD is the sector of a small circle. If we eliminate or subtract the sector of a small circle from the sector of large circle, we can get the shaded region. So we can say that area of shaded region is equals to area of the sector OBC minus area of the small sector, which is OAD. Now, using this area, we can find this radius of the small circle. We call it X, and we call DC and AB is equals to Y. This one is Y, this one is X. Now, a small circle has the radius X and the large circle has the radius 15 centimeter. And difference of the radius of large and small circle is Y. So, 15 centimeter is the radius of the large circle is equals to X, which is the radius of the small circle plus the difference, which is Y. Now, area of the sector is 1 over 2 r square theta. OBC is the area of the large sector, which has the radius of 15 centimeter. So we can write it 1 over 2 radius square means 15 centimeter square time theta, which is given 2 pi over 5 minus area of the small sector, which is OAD, which has the radius X. Okay, so we can calculate the area of the small sector, which is 1 over 2 r square means radius square, and the radius of the small circle is X. So X square times theta, which is same. So this one is also 2 pi over 5. Area of the shaded region given, which is 209 over 5 pi. Now, further solving, we will have 209 over 5 pi is equal to taking 1 over 2 and the angle 2 pi over 5 common from both terms. So here we will have 15 square minus X square. So this pi will be cancelled out, this 5 will be cancelled out, and this 2 will be cancelled out. So we will have 209 is equals to 15 square, which is 225 minus X square. By switching, we will have X square is equals to 225 minus 209, which is equals to the 16. So X square is equals to 16 under root both sides. So we will have X is equals to 4. Negative value will be ignored because distance should be positive. So we can say that 4 centimeter. Okay. Now we have calculated the value of X, which is 4 centimeter. So what will be the Y? So Y will be the 15 minus X. So 15 centimeter is equals to 4 plus Y. So Y is equals to 11 centimeter. So we have calculated the difference, which is equals to the 11 centimeter. Now we need to find the perimeter of the circle. I'm making this video second time because when I was calculating the perimeter first time, I overlooked the ED and this gave me the wrong answer. That's why I will suggest you to be careful while solving these type of problems. Well, we need to find the perimeter. So perimeter is the sum of the AD, then DC, then CB, then AB. So we can see that perimeter is AB, BC, CD, ED. AB, BC, CD, ED. Okay. AB and DC is Y we just calculated. So AB, which is equals to CD, which is equals to Y we just calculated, which is 11 centimeter. Where AD is the arc length of a small circle and BC is the arc length of large circle. So first we plug AB, which is 11, plus BC. BC is the arc length of the large circle. So arc length is equals to r theta, and in this case radius is 15 centimeter. So 15 times theta, which is 2 pi over 5. So 15 times 2 pi over 5 plus CD, which is 11 centimeter, plus AD. AD is the arc length of the small circle which has the radius x. So arc length is r times theta. So in this case radius is x. So x times theta, and we calculated the x, which is 4 centimeter. So we can write it 4 times theta, which is 2 pi over 5. So when we add them, we will have 11 plus 11 is 22 plus 2 pi over 5 taken common from these two terms. So we will have 15 plus 4. So this one is equals to the 22 plus 2 pi 19 over 5. So further simplifying, we will have 22 plus 19 times 2 is 38 pi over 5. So this one is the perimeter. So it should be in centimeter.